If you're hunting for the best early Black Friday deals, stop scrolling right now. These picks are actually worth your money, not the random discounts that are just last year's leftovers. I've handpicked a few solid deals that are genuinely good value, so let's get straight into it. Need a portable speaker that actually sounds premium? Marshall's Emberton III is a beast for its size. Rugged, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, and somehow still delivers that warm, punchy Marshall sound signature that people love. It's loud, clear, and deep. Not that tiny tin can Bluetooth sound you get from cheap speakers. Plus, over 32 hours of playtime means you can literally go a full weekend without charging. If you want something stylish and tough, this is a great deal. And for anyone who takes audio seriously, this headphone deal is the one you don't skip. The Bowers & Wilkins Px7 S2e delivers seriously good noise cancellation, incredible clarity, and some of the cleanest vocals you'll hear in wireless headphones. They've got a transparency mode that sounds natural, strong Bluetooth connection, and a 30-hour battery life that easily lasts days. B&W rarely go on big discounts, so catching the Px7 S2e during early Black Friday is honestly one of the best surprises this year. And if you've been thinking about upgrading your watch, this is the time to grab Apple's latest. The Apple Watch Series 10 with GPS Plus Cellular and the gold titanium case is one of the cleanest and strongest looking Apple Watches ever. Carbon neutral build. Always on Retina display, ECG app, full fitness tracking, and you can leave your phone at home since it's fully cellular. Honestly, it's premium, it's stylish, and it almost never gets discounts. So catching it during Black Friday prices is a big win. You know how people say smart homes are expensive to set up? Yeah, not anymore. The Amazon Smart Plug 2-pack is on deal right now, and this is the easiest way to make any old device in your house feel brand new. Lamps, fans, coffee makers. Plug them in, ask Alexa to control them, and boom, instant automation. The setup is basically one tap, and the reliability is far better than the cheap third-party plugs. If you're building a smart home on a budget, this deal is a no-brainer. Let's talk entertainment, because this next deal might replace your cable subscription entirely. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is one of the fastest streaming sticks right now, and the AI-powered Fire TV search makes finding movies way easier than scrolling forever. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, so streaming stays stable even if everyone at home is online. And with free and live TV options, you could literally cut your TV bill to zero. This one always sells out during Black Friday, so move fast. All the deals are linked in the description, so check out the latest prices. They change fast during Black Friday week. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you only the deals actually worth buying.